Hey guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel guys. Thank you so much for watching this video all the way to this point. If you have got this far in the video guys, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'm really trying to get to 10,000 subscribers for 2022. That's my New Year's goal, but I can't do it without you guys. I really need your help and your support in order to reach 10,000 subscribers. So please consider hitting that subscribe button, and not only hitting the button, but make sure that you're sharing the channel so other persons can see it. And without sounding too demanding guys, please smash that like button and definitely leave a comment guys. So today is actually the coldest day of the year. It's getting as cold as minus 51 today guys. Minus 51 is not nice. It's very cold guys. It's one of those things that many persons are afraid of, many persons are scared of, or they're gonna be managing like temperatures like these. Of course, Canada is a cold country, as you guys would have known before, but we just have to do what we have to do, guys. So this morning it was minus 45. Coming to work, it was minus 45. That was the clips that you saw. That was a little bit after 8 o'clock, looking like midnight still. And like minus 45, and now it's not getting warmer, it's getting colder. It's almost minus 50 outside right now. So because of that fact, I'm not even going outside until I'm going home, right? So how did I adjust to this weather guys? It took a while, to be honest. It took a while for us to get really adjusted. And even though I'd say you are never really adjusted to a harsh winter like this, even persons who are born here all their life will tell you that it's still cold. Like, you'll never get used to it. But you know what you do? You just dress for it, make sure that you have the right gears, and definitely just stay inside as much as possible. Winter can be a very depressing time, as I'm always saying. So if you're in Canada, or if you're new to Canada, make sure that you're taking your vitamins. Make sure that you are trying to socialize as much as possible. I know that you can't go different places that you'd want to go because like the weather doesn't permit it, but try to be engaged and try to exercise, try to do things that will definitely make you feel better about yourself. And then before you know it, winter will be over and then the sunshine will be there again, right? So where are you guys watching from? I'm always asking this question. I know that many persons watch the Andersons community from right around the world. Some persons are in the beautiful sunshine right now. Yeah, we're so jealous of you guys. Soak up some sun for us. And I know that many persons are also in freezing temperatures just like myself. I just want to encourage you guys that listen, just keep strong, keep safe. Of course, we know the world is not what it used to be. Based on the fact that we have a pandemic dealing with that ever seems to be changing. I just heard the other day that they found a new variant in France, and it's like it's just never changing guys. It's just never changing. So all the more reasons to be social in terms of talk to people, be friendly with people, to just make yourself feel better, because ultimately all these lockdowns and stuff like that definitely take a toll on the mental health. You wanna get what I say guys? So definitely try to just live as much as possible, because all the world is going on right now. You understand, we may never know. So that's what I wanted to say. As I said guys, today is the coldest day it's been in 62 years actually. 62 years it's never been this cold. And my friends are just here from Jamaica and they have to be dealing with this. So for that, I'd probably say they're the reason why it's so cold. But yeah, just send some sunshine my direction. Just in the comment section, just send some sunshine guys. It's greatly appreciated. If I can't get it physical, let me get it virtually. You understand what I'm trying to say? Yeah, it's 2022 guys. I keep saying all the best for 2022. I said this in a couple of videos before. You know what, just put on the best foot forward. Just don't give up, just keep trying, definitely. And for all the persons who need help with writing their LOE, I am good again, I'm ready, I am here again. Many persons probably didn't get a response. I've helped so many persons, but now you can definitely send me a message on Instagram. But the thing is, guys, in order for you to get that one-on-one help, you're gonna have to make a contribution to my GoFundMe account, because I'm trying to become an immigration consultant, as you guys know. So that will definitely, you know, assist in my quest. So you assist me while I assist you, kind of a thing. You scratch my back, I scratch your back, kind of a thing. So yeah, let's just work together so that we all can achieve our goals, our dreams, and everything that we want to accomplish in 2022. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. If you have reached this far, again, guys, please subscribe. That little red button right down below. There's also a blue button that you can click to become a member of the Andersons community. There's a video that we're going to be dropping later this week, and the title of that video is how to get a job in Canada from outside of Canada. So of course, I've gotten this information recently, guys, and I want to share it with you guys, but I'm gonna only make this video visible to persons who are members of the channel. So definitely check that out, man. It's only $1. It's only $1 Canadian to become a member of the Andersons community, guys. So definitely check that out, guys, and you know, become a part of the community. Share the channel, share the content, subscribe, and let's reach 10,000 subscribers for 2022. All right, guys, little more. See you guys in the next video.